To me, negative space is very counterintuitive. I want to fill the frame with everything I got because the picture in itself is a fraction of reality. But on the other hand, it has some effects on the viewer and the expression your picture has. So I think it should be part of your toolbox. So in this video, I go through negative space and what it will do to your pictures. If you watch a video where the angle tilts from the person being shot bottom up or top down, then I think you will notice that there's a large shift in the impression you get of that person. Even though the person basically doesn't do anything different, just the angle changes a lot. Negative space in photography can do the same. It can change the balance between your object and its surroundings. So if the surroundings takes up more relative to the total frame, then your subject becomes more fragile or more self-assured. I don't know exactly how to express it, but I think you get the idea that it changes the balance in the picture. Negative space, it doesn't really require that much. It's basically about having some sort of surface or area that is one big uninteresting area for the viewer, so that their eyes naturally are sliding towards the object of your picture. And if there is no object in your picture, then that becomes a problem. I think that pictures with only empty space, they can be nice, they can be very beautiful, like this example I'm showing here, but I think also they quickly become very boring. Because you simply miss the story. What's the picture about? You quickly get confused and say, what is actually the story here? But if there is an object, you can basically use negative space as these examples show, and I will let the picture speak for themselves and hope you enjoy them. Should you want to know more about negative space, I can highly recommend a guy called Mike Browne. He has a lot of good videos, and one that is particularly good is the one about negative space. I will post a link to it below so you can enjoy that video as well. But otherwise, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.